Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sudipta and this channel is all about skincare. I will talk about products that are easily accessible in India. If you find my videos helpful, do support me by subscribing to this channel. In this video, I will talk about Dr. Belmeur's Advanced Cica Travel Kit. This kit contains 3 products, total of 70 ml and the price is 795 rupees. You are getting a toner, emulsion and a recovery cream. This kit is for all skin type and it's an amazing investment because if this suits you, then you can buy full size product next time. All 3 products are formulated with Cica, that is Central Asiatica. Central Asiatica is very beneficial to calm and irritated skin and is also good for your skin barrier. So if you have active acne on your face, then you're going to love this kit. I personally have combination sensitive skin and I loved it. It's very soothing and calming. This kit treats acne and also irritated skin, so if your skin is red, itchy and irritated, try this kit. You might love it as much as I do. The Face Shop is a Korean brand and Dr. Belmeur's line is amazing and affordable. Although you are getting 70 ml of the product, but the product lasts long. I have linked affiliated shopping link in my description box. If you purchase this kit, do share your experience with me on my Instagram @skincare with Sudipta. If you're still here at the very end of the video, thank you so much for your precious time and thank you so much for watching me. Do subscribe this channel to support me and like this video and also comment what you want to see next. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.